Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is the 4th episode of the Fold of the Week Holiday Spectacular. I'm dedicating the entire month of October to bringing you creative ideas to wow in this holiday season. And this week, I love this so much. I would call this a holiday campaign package. This comes from my good friends at Oliver Printing and Packaging Company in Twinsburg, Ohio. This was designed by Jeff Schrader, and this is just the coolest way to show appreciation to your clients over the holidays. And so this is a multi-piece package, so to speak. So it starts with a card. I love that the envelope is special. It's got it has snowflakes all over it. Of course, their branding and colors. It says "Let It Snow," and that's their theme for all this, is "Let It Snow." It says "Special Delivery for," and it has snowflakes on it, really nice. You open it up, and it has this just really nice accordion card. It says "Let It Snow." This has a blind deboss and an emboss in register for "Let It Snow." This is on a Royal Sundance felt, so it's really nice, toothy, heavy, about 110 cover, scored. This is printed in 3 PMS colors and black, and it just is so nice. And one of the things they did is they rewrote the lyrics to the song "Let It Snow." So it says, "Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the press check's just delightful." And all the lyrics are here, and they carry it through. It's really, really neat how they did this. So I love the design, simple format, really nice details on that. And then there are also other pieces to this package. So this is a sleeve, and this sleeve actually goes onto a gift box of chocolates from a local chocolatier in Ohio called Mally's. So they buy the chocolates, they slide the sleeve on, it says "Let It Snow." Same Royal Sundance felt, just really, really nice, and it's got that pop of the green lining with the snowflakes, just everything coordinates. There's also a tag, same paper, same design, "Let It Snow," warmest wishes for a peaceful holiday season. It has their logo, and that goes on a bottle of wine, which is in this "Let It Snow" box that also has all of the lyrics on it as well. Warmest wishes for a peaceful holiday season, Oliver Printing and Packaging Company. You open that up, bottle of wine, the tag goes onto the bottleneck and is signed by the sales rep. And so it's just, the whole thing works together so nicely and just makes such an incredible impression. This is 24-point C2S, by the way, and just so well done. They do about 1,000 of the cards. They do a few hundred of these. It really kind of depends on what they're doing each year. Most of these are hand delivered by the sales reps to customers. So just a brilliant way to make an impression at the holidays. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week for the holidays. The holiday greetings package. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dialogues, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.